Have you pressed the power button on your Lenovo laptop, noticed the lights or fan come on, but been greeted by nothing but a black display? This issue can be alarming because the computer appears to be running, yet the screen remains blank. Fortunately, in many cases, the problem is caused by a temporary display glitch, power issue, or startup interruption rather than a serious hardware failure. In many situations, a Lenovo laptop, black screen, but turns on problem can be resolved with a few simple troubleshooting methods. Before assuming the display is damaged or changing random settings, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore normal startup operation. 1. Disconnect external devices and make sure the laptop is connected to a reliable power source. 2. Hold the power button down for several seconds to perform a complete shutdown. 3. Turn the laptop back on and adjust the screen brightness in case it is set too low. 4. Use the display shortcut keys to switch between screen output modes if available. 5. Check whether the Lenovo logo or desktop appears and confirm that the display is functioning normally.